Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file for your business. E-filing offers a secure and efficient way to submit your tax documents, reducing errors and speeding up processing. Many businesses are now required to e-file certain forms, making this guide essential for compliance. We'll cover the benefits and initial steps to get you started smoothly. Before you begin e-filing, it's crucial to prepare thoroughly. Gather all your financial records and tax documents, like Form W-2s and Form 1099s. Ensure your business has an Employer Identification Number, or EIN. Then, select an IRS-approved software or a trusted tax professional to handle your submission. This preparation ensures a smooth filing experience. The actual e-filing process involves entering your business's financial data accurately into your chosen software. Take your time to review all entries carefully, as even small mistakes can cause delays. Once everything looks correct, submit your return electronically. Always save the confirmation number or receipt as proof of your successful submission. This step is vital. After successfully e-filing, remember to keep both digital and physical copies of your submitted returns for your records. It's also important to pay any taxes due by the deadline to avoid penalties. Consider making estimated tax payments throughout the year to manage your cash flow and prevent a large tax bill at year-end. Staying organized helps immensely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.